So here we have the Vauxhall Astra on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all.
As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further.
Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there.
Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now.
Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And beneath that, the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 66,411. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there. You can change that information for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy info using controls on the indicator stalk. We back out to the steering wheel. This car's got forward collision warning, which you can turn on and off from here. We have cruise control and speed limiter as well, and then stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after you pair the phone up to the car, and that is done on the touchscreen in the center. Just hit the phone icon and then search device and follow the instructions on screen from there. You can come back to the home screen from down here. When it comes to your audio options in this car, hit source and you'll see that we've got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input as well. So plenty of ways to listen to music in this car. You can also project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto the screen, hit projection and connect up your smartphone via its USB. Working our way down from there, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off. Back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set, of course. Below that, we can turn off the lane departure warning system for this car. Turn it on again, of course. We can also turn off the traction control. And this car has got a 5-speed manual gearbox, as you can see.
All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.